Hi, I'm Mike Hudson, Director of the Museum of the American Printing House for the Blind. Our Monday mystery object this week is in this box. It is a Wright Model 2600 key punch unit. So we actually have two of these identical models in our collection. Both of them were used by guys that were blind or visually impaired who were computer programmers in the 1970s and 1980s. So let me just describe it a little bit. It's in a lidded box, but you've basically got this dark table, and then there is a sliding holder. And that holder is designed to hold your key punch cards, which are up here in the lid. They're stored in the lid. You pull them out, and on the card, which is about a buff colored card, about maybe 6 inches by 3 inches, it's got a series of numbers, 0 through 9, right, in columns. And you would put your card into that sliding tray that fits on top of the table, and then up on top is your embossing unit, and it has a keyboard that has, 13 keys on it. And they are numbered in both print, 1 through 12, and then there is a little thin adhesive braille sticker on top of them, and then a button at the bottom for S, and then on top of the key punch unit, it's got a little coding matrices there. So today, when we want to do data entry in a computer, you just pretty much sit with a standard QWERTY keyboard and type your data in. But the mainframe computers that were used to do all the big, huge computing jobs starting in the 60s and 70s and onward, the data entry was done with these key punch cards. So you would punch you would code onto the cards, and actually if you look down into the bottom of this box, you can see it's filled with the little punched out rectangles where the numbers have been punched out. You used a thing called a Hollerith punch code. You would do your data entry on these cards, and then the cards would fit into a tray on the computer, and the cards would get fed into the computer. It would scan light through the holes, and where there was a broken space on this, that would mean something. The computer would compile all that, and then the computer would do all of its thinking. And then it actually put its output out on cards just like this. We use a very similar system to do the very early computer braille translations, but these guys were working for just mainstream computer coding companies, and at the beginning of their careers they used Wright punches to do their coding.